I'm Derek Balch. I'm going to show you guys how to maintenance and use the drill press. First, we're going to go over safety. Make sure you got your eyeglasses on, no loose fittings. Make sure nothing can get caught up in the drill bit or anything. And I probably wouldn't use gloves because gloves would get caught up in there. And before you start, you want to make sure your belt's all good, not worn, not tore, nothing's wrong with it. Your pulleys are good. Make sure your pulleys are good. And if you're gonna maintenance anything, take out pulleys or belts, make sure you unplug it, make sure there's no way it can come on while you're doing it. And make sure your shaft's good, your chuck, make sure your chuck's good. And you want to check your drill bits too, make sure those are all good, check your guard, make sure it works properly. And well, about it for what you're gonna check. Put this back on. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to use it. To change out drill bits, you take the chuck key and you insert it in here. You can loosen it. And it drops the drill bit out, lefty loosey, righty tighty. You insert it back in, you just tighten it back down. Alright, and while you're going, you want to make sure you got plenty of oil down there. Make sure your drill bit doesn't get hot. It'll dull it, or sometimes even break it if it gets too hot. You want to make sure you got plenty of oil down there. And now it's plugged in and everything's checked. Make sure if you got a really big drill bit in there, you go slower. Bigger the bit, slower you go. And I'm going to show you how to use it. One thing I also forgot to mention before is that make sure your clamping's all good. Make sure nothing's wrong with it and that it clamps properly tight. You want your metal always clamped down, because if you don't, you're going to be going halfway through it and it's going to get stuck in there and your metal's just going to spin. And you don't want that. And you can move your clamp device you can move it either way you want. Turn it in, it'll go left or right, left. Turn it out, it'll go right. Go this one in, goes back, go out, goes out. That's about it.